Hi, welcome again. Today we have a 28-inch TCL. The issue is seeing the power light, but the TV is not powering on. Even with the remote, there's not getting anything, and I'm pressing the power button, and the TV will not power on. So I'm going to dismantle the TV, and we're going to check to see why it is we're getting this issue here. And I'll do a visual inspection first. There don't seems to be any puffy caps. So the problem is more likely to be on the mainboard. So let's do some voltage checks. Let me just take this out. So it's just the power indicator, so I can see and you can see as well. Let's check this coil here. Nothing. And on this coil, nothing. And that coil as well. And on this diode here, we have on this diode 0.8 volts, 0.8. Okay, so on this coil here, we get in 0.8 volts, and on the diode, we are getting the same 0.8 volts. What are we getting from the power supply? We are getting 23 volts from the power supply. I can feel something here getting very hot. Let me get a thermal gun. Something is getting very hot there. Yes, it is. Let me just get my finger. Something is getting hot. My finger is over it here. It's the coil. That coil here is getting very hot, which will indicate there's a short. There is a short on the board. Alright, there's a short. Alright, so I'm gonna take the board out of circuit here. Well, sorry, take the board out and we're gonna check for shorts. Get the glare away. and around this area was getting a lot of heat, so we're gonna check for shorts in that area. So ground, and this cap between here, let's check. No shorts, and not about this cap, looks burnt, and yes, we have a short. So we have a short on that cap there. It looks burnt. What about this one? No shorts. There's no shorts there, but there's a short on this cap. Is this cap linked to the inputs of the 23 volts? No, it's not. Okay. So what I want to do is to remove. Let me come in a little closer. Take a good look at that cap. Yeah, that cap is gone. Yes, this cap is blown. See that there? So most likely that's our problem there. Come on. And it's out. So the cap is out. And let's see if the short is gone. Right there. So I'm going to check for shorts there again. And we will see. And the short is gone. So this is ground and this is positive here. Okay. I want to check this diode. Let's check this diode here. And sorry. Diode is good. We don't have any more shorts, so let me just connect the power supply and everything like that, and I just want to check what kind of voltage we are getting passing where that SMD capacitor is supposed to be. So it's 12 volts. So 12 volts is coming in there. So I will replace that capacitor now. I will put probably about 11 microfarads at 16 volts. Alright, so let me just get the capacitor. It's gonna be a 106 size. Take this and line it up. so that's, yeah, so this is the size. Okay, so it's this 106 size. Excuse me, let me take one out. It's out. And I'll get the tester. So I'm getting on this about 10 microfarads. Yeah, 10 microfarads. So this is indeed the correct capacitor and the correct size. Okay, so could I replace that there with hot air? I'll have to change the tip. Let me change the tip. Still too big. Have a smaller tip. Alright, this is supposed to work. Just waiting for it to get up to temperature, and I will install the cap. Oh, way too much air. Way too much air. It's much better. Let's install this cap. Temperature is set to 400 degrees. I think that's good. Double check. Okay, perfect. Let's clean up. Okay. Focus here. Trying to get it as clean as possible. Get off all the flux. Okay, so that's about it. And I'll reinstall everything, and we should be good to go. Alright, so put everything back together. And we'll check this cap again. We are getting, if you can see, and I can hear song. We are getting 11.80 volts, and the capacitor that we replaced, and I think everything is good to go. So let me turn the TV around, and we will see if the TV is actually working. And TV is working. Look at that. TV works. Okay. So we are good to go. We have another happy customer. Okay, again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this repair. It was a simple repair again, shorted capacitor, and this TV is fixed. So thanks for viewing, and I hope you enjoyed this video.